Masonry weeps should be placed at regular intervals to allow cavity drainage in veneer walls and prevent trapped moisture. For a practical thumb rule, use weeps every 24 inches along the bottom of the veneer and immediately above all lintels and shelf angles to let water escape from the cavity. Where weeps are needed but mortar tooling or coursing makes holes impractical, install polypropylene wicks or drill appropriate size holes through the mortar joint back to the cavity to maintain continuous drainage. Always pair weeps with a properly sloped flashing at shelf angles and sills, so water directed to the weep has a clear exit path and cannot soak adjacent materials. Maintain a clear 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch gap in the mortar joint at the weep location, or use a compatible weep product size to match the cavity depth so capillary action is minimized. Behind the veneer, provide a continuous drainage plane such as building paper or a water-resistive barrier, and keep insulation and sheathing details clear of the weep zone to avoid clogging. Inspect and clean weeps during construction and after completion, where accessible, to ensure no mortar droppings or insect nests block the drainage path. 3 common mistakes are placing weeps too far apart, which allows ponding in the cavity, installing flashing without sufficient slope, which prevents positive drainage, and omitting a continuous drainage plane, which allows moisture migration into the structure. Correct spacing by following the 24-inch rule or local code requirements, and ensure layout includes weeps above all openings. Fix flashing slope problems by cutting or fabricating flashing to a minimum slope of 1/4 inch per foot where possible, and seal terminations into the water-resistive barrier. Restore the drainage plane by repairing or adding an intact water-resistive barrier behind the veneer and keeping insulation clear of the cavity so the weeps can perform. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives contractors a place to find work related to masonry and other trades. We host a discussion community where members share experience on details like weep spacing, flashing techniques, and product choices so we can all learn from real projects.